Hi, my name is Karen Johnson, and I came here on behalf of a client to help to get myself educated so I could educate them on grant writing for nonprofits. Well, it was so much more than that. Sandra has so much information to give to us. I learned that a for-profit, which would be my business, can also establish grants, the ins and outs of writing grants, what to do, what not to do, how you are to word everything. Wording makes a big difference, and a little bit of wording makes an even better difference. And how to even expand not just the clients' businesses that organizations that I'm going to be helping, but mine too, and how I'm seeing that mine may be a for-profit, nonprofit. It's just amazing. So take the time. She'll work with you to come and just listen and just take it all in. Your information that you get to take home with you. It's amazing. You could make notes. Just take the time. If you want to get somewhere, get here, and that will help you to get there where you're going. Thank you again, Sandra, so much. I don't know how to thank you. And I just wish everyone the best with this, because it's great. Thanks.
My name is Shanti Davis, and I jumped out there and took a chance coming to Sandra's workshop, and it was amazing. She taught me everything that I didn't know, and she clarified things that I had done on my own, learned on my own through research. So it is an amazing workshop. Man, it's just an amazing workshop. So please check it out. Please step out there, take a chance, invest in your nonprofit or your for-profit. Take a chance. It's worth it.
Hi, I am Dynasty Thomas. I'm a poet and I know it. Dynasty Thomas from Keining, Healing in the Pen, LLC. Today I attended Sandra Chaney's workshop on starting and establishing a nonprofit. My mind is still reeling from all the information, and here I am thinking that I'm coming to learn some basics about how to start a nonprofit, get some basic step-by-step. And not only did I receive that, but I received so much more, thinking that I could isolate my personal way I do business from business. And indeed, here I am finding myself delving into the deeper sides of me, learning how to be vulnerable, getting breakthroughs in my personal life, because it does impact the business, and how I do business personally impacts how I do business professionally. And so I thought I could isolate the two. I thought I could, basically have this dichotomy, and I was so sadly mistaken. Today we laughed, we cried, we had breakthroughs. We learned how to put ourselves in position to receive money to do the work that we are passionate about. We heard from other professionals that are content experts on how to establish or to establish your board of directors, and how to have a business savvy. I mean, the list goes on and on and on and on, and I'm just so overwhelmed, so filled and excited and scared, but willing and able and ready to move forward to do great things. So I recommend that you take the course, that you take the journey, because that's really more than a course, it's actually a journey. I recommend that you take the journey. Sandra Chaney, excellent job.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shanti. I just finished the Sandra Chaney workshop for nonprofit organizations, and for someone who had no information on nonprofit organizations, I feel like she was able to break down the needs of grant writing, the need of having your why. Why are you doing this? Who's your target audience? I appreciate
Hi, my name
all
is
of the
Nikita,
information.
and I came to this session because I was interested in learning more about donors and selecting your board of directors. And this was phenomenal in terms of breaking everything down. The detail that I learned and gathered from here will just take me further in building my nonprofit, and I'm so grateful. The people are wonderful and just, heart-centered people, and I think this is a wonderful opportunity for anyone who is thinking about it. Definitely get on board, because she cares a lot about nonprofit work, and she will make sure you succeed.
Hello, my name is Amir Scott, and I have had the privilege of going to Sandra's nonprofit workshop twice. I went to the first one, and I'm here today, and oh my God, just simply amazing. The wealth of information that she has, you will not get this from any Chamber of Commerce nonprofit workshop or the 123 or the nonprofit 101. You will not get that. You have to experience Sandra's nonprofit workshop, because she told us some stuff that I can guarantee you other organizations are not going to show you. I may be biased because Sandra and I are friends, but the wealth of knowledge that she has surpasses anything. So I have a nonprofit that I am going to start, and Sandra will help me with that nonprofit. I'm going to go through her boot camp. She's going to help me get through point A to point Z, and I'm excited about it. So I encourage you to invest in yourself and come to Sandra's workshop. You will not be disappointed. Bye.